Tara na guys, I'm ready. Ito na yung outfit natin. Let's go. Tara na sa Kelpies. Outfit of the day, check. This is my Kelpies.
Parklands Avenue, then turn right.
Let's go to Kelpies. Let's go, Han.
I'm going.
I'm going. Let's go.
I'll only go as quick as I can.
Let's go, guys. Let's go to the
Kelpies.
Kelpies. Ayan na guys, we're on the way to Kelpies. Maganda na ang weather at lumabas na si Mr. Sun. Nakisama sa panahon. So let's go, go, go! Sculpture and the world at Kelpies. Oh my God, ang ganda! Nice.
Well, we're here, guys. We found the horses' heads.
Andito na kami sa dalawang horse na nawawala akong kabayo. Charot! Si Vice Ganda nandito na. Vice Ganda is here already. Look what we found. Oh my God. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Tignan nyo naman ang view. Ang laki-laking horse. Oh, lovely flowers as well here.
Yeah, you can smell them.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Very nice. Ang ganda-ganda guys. Oh my God. O, diba? Pinakamalaking dalawang horses sa Scotland. Dito mo lang makikita sa Scotland. Ang ganda-ganda. It's very nice. Ang cute. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Wala akong masabi. Puro ang ganda-ganda na lang. Oh my goodness. May maliit pang horse. Ang ganda ng horse.
Big ones and the little ones.
I think we need to take photos here, Han. Just here, I think. We will set up the camera stick there. Ganito pala itsura ng apat na kabayo. Tara na guys. At libutin natin tong horse na to. Ito daw horse na to, ang story daw nito, pag may nakikita daw silang mga batang natatrap dito, lumilitaw na lang bigla tong mga horse na to. At kung na-trap yung bata, niyayaya daw nilang lumapit sa kanila. Tapos, kakainin na bigla. Tapos, lulubog na sila ulit sa tubig. Yun daw ang story ng kelpies na to. Okay, maybe there. Go there, Han. Oh, di ba ang laki-laki? Han. Did not even smile.
No, because I was going to talk to you. In Scottish folklore, a kelpie is a dangerous, shape-shifting water creature that can appear on land as a horse.
Yeah.
Kelpie appears to their human victims as a grey or white horse, entices them to ride on their back, and then carries them down to a watery grave.
Oh my God. Ang laki-laki guys. Super. Tapos, may dalawa pang kelpies dun. Tapos, isa pang kelpies yan. Naglalakad.
Yeah, you got to be wary of good-looking men, you see. That's what this is about. But you weren't very wary because I got you and I married you.
What? Sorry. Stay. Okay. Ang laki guys. Libutin natin hanggang dito. Dito na tayo sa likod. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa yung isa. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Napakalaki. Paano kaya nila ginawa to, no? Ito daw yung pinaka biggest sculpture in the world. Yung horse na to. I think you need to wish here, Han. You have any penny?
No pennies, no. Much in there. You wish you'd been done.
Yan na, tapos na ang tour namin dito sa Kelpies. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Did you enjoy?
Uh-oh.
I enjoy. Oo. Oo, nag-enjoy daw siya. Alin, sarado na ang souvenir shop. Hindi na kami nakapasok kasi 4:30 nag-close na sila. 5 o'clock nandito na kami. So, sorry Alin. Tingin ako mamaya ng kahit anong souvenir dyan kung meron. Okay. This is the end of our vlog. See you in my next vlog. See you. God bless. Bye. Bye, Kelpies. Bye. Huh?
We'll not be getting an ice cream from that van.